Hi, Clipchamp is a valuable tool. Comes with Microsoft Windows 10 and 11 by default on the operating system. If you haven't got it on your machine, you can always go to Microsoft site and download it. Okay, let's get on with trimming the media. So if you go to create a new video, import media, I'm just randomly selecting clips. Go select another one. So if you tap on the plus sign, it will add it, or you can drag it down. So now I've got the media on the timeline, I can shorten the clip by moving it with my mouse. I can also highlight the clips, move the blade over, hold the shift key down, and then trim 2 clips at once. So you may have a piece of video that you're trying to trim, cut, and you cannot see all the video. So down in the bottom right hand corner, you've got the zoom in and out of the timeline. So you can, so for instance, if the video was like that, you can just click on the minus sign or press Control and the minus on your keyboard, or the Control and the plus. A very helpful, useful shortcut there to get things moving quicker with your video editing. At the end of this video, you will see, please like and subscribe to watch more videos. There's a playlist as well where you can watch videos on how to use Clipchamp.